planner friends, thanks for joining me for this week's plan with me. Since Cinco de Mayo falls on this week, I got these I got these stickers because, well, they were on clearance for 74 cents. And aren't they the cutest? So I thought I'm going to use these for my Cinco de Mayo spread. And I also have these little boxes that I got from either the Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store. And they match, the colors match pretty well with the stickers that are on this sheet. So just like last time when I used one of these big sticker sheets, I'm going to try and challenge myself to using all of them. So we'll see how it goes. Last time there was one that was still left on the sheet that I couldn't use. So hopefully this time it will work out a little bit better for me. All right, let's get this out of the way and get started. So last time I learned that these stickers are really hard to peel off, but I learned to use my little X-Acto knife, and that made it easier to peel them up. These are on clear sticker sheet, so I really like how that looks. And I'm thinking this first one, I'm gonna place that Fiesta there and then kind of go around everything else that way. I'm gonna speed up the process just because I know this is probably gonna take a while and I don't want you guys to sit here for like 2 hours. All right, let's go ahead and get started. You guys, I'm so excited. Look, I used every single one of the stickers on this thing. Okay, I'm pretty proud of myself, not gonna lie. So I do think this looks a little too crowded, but we'll see. And I ended up using stickers off of 3 of these sheets, and the pack that it comes in is like, I don't know how many it is. It seemed like 1,000,000 or so. 70 pieces, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on each. So there's 10 of these, and I ended up using just 3, and I still have plenty of boxes. Actually, okay, so a couple here, a couple there, and a few on this one. So this, I think, turned out really well. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna draw out the lines on the boxes, and I'm also gonna do individual lines inside of some of these boxes, just to give me a little bit extra space to write on. So I'm gonna go with this pen that I got them at Daiso. It is really, really light. It says that it's a marker pen highlighter, but when I tried writing with it, it is like super light. I don't even know if you can see that. So we'll see how it ends up turning out on the paper. So that did not turn out very well. The part where I drew over the pencil mark doesn't erase. So I don't really like the way that this turned out. I'm gonna look for a different marker that's gonna go over it, and I'm gonna try again. All right, so I found my Creative Devotion. This is a Bible journaling marker, and this is the color that it comes out to. I think this is going to work. So let's give it a try and hope for the best. Alright, so you guys didn't get to see me finish drawing in all of the little lines. What I did was I went through and I did the boxes, and the green pen ended up covering the blue pretty well. However, still you can see in some of the corners where I didn't erase the pencil mark, it's a little bit darker, so it looks a little bit funny, but that's okay. I'm not super bothered by it. Overall, I think this turned out pretty well. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and happy Cinco de Mayo!